All right, part 15. I think this one's done here. Allegorical warmonger sea monster. The upper left of the drawing, I added more ink around the outside of this one, which has a person's face frowning. This one got inked. This one got some more work on it. And this one is almost done now. I might add some color on the surface of the skin, whatever that's called on a fish. All right, to be continued. Coming along here, in memory of all the children who've perished in this latest Israeli-Palestinian conflict without end, war driven by adult warmongers who refuse to sit down and hammer out the peace. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate your input there. But geez.